Hello, Habibi.
On a good evening. If on a no one clap for me, I'm gonna clap for Voltage King. You know easy. My Voltage King, you self not small. So your people, you come outside because of Yebo Shi right now. Baba, I not get problem with app men. Now only the recent ones when they come out nowadays. DJ, you get that Undertaker sound. Prepare am for me. Man, I talk now, you want perform? I get problem with the recent app man of nowadays. Now why they tell people if you want book any app man for your show, before you ask for price, ask for location. App man won't give 1.2 million when you got the app for burial today. See what with the year. Play that Undertaker sound. Burial app man from Uromi. Go to the year now. Hello one time, ladies and gentlemen. It's your favorite hype man. I feel they get issue with their name. Hype man, sleazy, busy, wheezy, easy. Not be to get money, oh. You feel live long. You die at the age of 32. You never old, you go pull body. Now one casket going down from the family. Hold on. They beat and waiting all good. Yeah. We'll talk about AppMe later. Let's start the show properly. In case you don't know, we have 33 days left for this year to be over. My brother, I want to let you know. In case you never achieve your goal this year, relax yourself, don't try. The only thing I want to advise, they mind your business this period, though, not advise anybody. Person one advice last week say, bro, you need to double your hustle. You need to take your hustle serious in order for you to meet your goals for this year. Now yesterday night, the guy robbed me to achieve his goals. My brother, I'm on the year, oh. Mind your business this period, oh. Thank you very much. Get one I beg me, she not kill herself yesterday night. Now this morning, the girl, they begged me for 200K. I wish I mind my business now. Yeah. But they do as more. The one when they rain for, oh, I say, Baba, you are the comedian, you make me laugh. But they do as more. And they tell people, the one when they rain for Benin girls now, to the tell boys. Benin girl, you'll see you say you get money, go, you'll tell you. Anything he ask you, you'll give her. One girl, she not ask question, she go tell me. She tell me with 250,000 last month. Now this morning she dey tell me say she regret ever telling me. Now to tell me about say me brief 500,000. Since morning she dey beg me my borrow her money to take and tell me we die here, baby, I love you. Yeah. Baba, I dey tell people not pressure yourself this period, oh my brother. The country they affect everybody. Now everybody they do two business. For my area, I get one traffic, one checkpoint, hold up, always they dey there. Now this morning we discover say all the banana when women they sell for that place now DPO get on. Baba, everybody they do also all the plantain chips now copra get on, balance and carry. No pressure yourself, oh my brother. If you not get money, borrow, not be you start on. As I they talk to you now, bank, don't they borrow from bank. And I know say now last week I borrow from Pampe. If you say I dey lie, ask Kuda. Baba. And they tell people if you want to borrow na sense, so one guy from my area go borrow money from Lapo to open orphanage home last month. From that time till now, the guy no fit pay. Now this money Lapo come pack all the children come out. Yeah. Now let person pressure you, my brother. Mona now so one of my guys he take borrow money to buy a car last month. From that time till now, the guy not fit pay the trouble. As I talk to you now, the guy don't open driving school 1-2 per day. Since morning, they beg me my register. I say, except you give me scholarship. Baba, things they happen for this Benin now. As the year that they come to an end, avoid guests. The one when Benin guests they do now, they all busy. They post to they don't know before they write thanks for today. Do you go TikTok, screenshot one fine boy, post now for status, thanks for today, baby, you made my day. Now someone get go post one boy, you know say the boy don't die last week. Now police they look for him. Baba, country don't hard oh, mona yeah oh. What they do a small. And they tell people it don't affect everybody. Not be only normal man be the thing they affect now. Now for us that see one madman they waka they complain say, person your past 10 does be no bread. Those days when the tea was the tea. The country don't affect everybody. Now why they tell people this life also do to work to survive. As you see me now, I'm not just a comedian. I donate blood for a living also. My brother not look me like that to blood day now you don't know. But I don't stop and shout. Last person when I donate blood give last month. Now last week I hear say the person go do blood money. Before you know his spirit here called they pursue me. Now me they ask the spirit why they pursue me. He say no you know but my blood look familiar. Baba, when they talk about mad people just now, they tell now, if you know me too well, you know I'm a guy that does research. And then as they carry the talk, and they look some people, they'll see mad people, they'll be like, God I beg you. What did this one still go put hand? How they ever take the survive? Bro, those guys are living fine. You swear you don't feel mad before? Baba, I don't say the way we take they look madmen, I say they take they look us. Now yesterday I was Havana. For road now I see 5 select people, they walk out, they come. They wear gun, they don't wear slippers. For their side, I see 2 madmen, they discuss. Me, all stand, they look there. Now one of the madmen say, now wow. People, they crazy. So. Not be 1, not be 2, 5 people, you all wear cloth. Mad. Oh. As he talk that one, now the other one look and say, now that one you see, you not see this guy. Now he point me. This one crazy, up pass, be careful. He wear cloth, he still wear shoe. Baba, everywhere, Baba, they tell people, now I'll do this. In case, I beg, gonna clap for Voltage King, I beg, not easy. But this show, I be not want to come. Because all act men are the same. You know why? I like the way they do comedians for abroad. They treat them with care. Comedy is a profession in abroad, but for this part of Edo State, it not be like that. For abroad, if they want to invite me for show, see what you they hear. Because they take them like profession, what you they hear now? Hello, is this fun for the comedian? I'll be like, yes. All right, we are inviting you for a show slated on the 28th of November. Please do send your invoice so we can make payment as soon as possible. They never care how much you want to ask. They'll give you the money because comedy is a profession in abroad. It be like doctor, lawyer. But for here, comedy can be like how will work. Imagine for February, now one app man call me. See the way they talk to me. Come be like say they do prostitution. Wait at the end now. Hello, Fanfu. You're free tonight. I say yes. He say how much should they charge? Now I say 300K. He say not be daybreak by 12 would not close. Now I say I know. He say 300K. Now we say they quick come now. I say they quick come as senator. Now I say the one I want you give you 200K. Now, say, I'll give you like 30 minutes. I want me you last. Now, I say, go ask of me at the last way. Now, the guy say, okay, no worry. I'll book room for you. The guy book hotel for me. The next day, night, call me. Hello, Fonfu. Nice performance last night. You did well. Now, because they ask myself, what did I do? Now, when Voltage King call me, I be not want to pick. Because I know saying that I met all of the being at the same thing they want to talk. But guess what? He talk different thing and you worst. He never greet me. What did I do now? Hello, Fanfu. I say, sir, which style of comedy do they do? I say, style. He say, yes. Now I say, doggy. Thank you very much. That's my time.
Make some noise, make some noise, make some noise.